What's up everyone, welcome back to the channel. My name is Andrew. Today we're gonna be making the Crunchwrap Supreme from Taco Bell, but of course we're gonna make it better. To start my Crunchwrap Supreme, we're going to make a Chipotle Crema and some refried beans. The Chipotle Crema is made with half a cup of sour cream, 2 Chipotles with adobo, and a squeeze of lime. Go ahead, stick that in a blender, use an immersion blender. Just combine these ingredients so that they're all one consistency. Next up is my refried beans. So we're gonna start off by sauteing half of an onion and 1 jalapeno with the seeds removed. We're gonna let that get soft, and then we're going to throw in 2 cans of pinto beans, 1 of them drained, and then we're gonna add about a tablespoon of cumin. We're gonna let that sit for about 15 minutes. Then we're going to use an immersion blender or just a regular blender, and we're going to puree this. I leave mine a little bit chunky. We're going to keep it in the sauce pot for about another 5 minutes and just keep it warm. Now let's head outside and we're gonna make the rest of this crunch wrap. All right, so I've shown you how I make both my Chipotle Crema and my refried beans for this dish. I currently am browning off 1 pound of ground beef. I'm gonna add some taco seasoning to it. I'm just using the mild Taco Bell seasoning. And I'm gonna pull everything over here. I'm gonna show you how effortless it is to build a crunch wrap and how quick you can do this. It's a great meal for your family, so let's go ahead and we'll do this. Like I said, Taco Bell mild taco seasoning. And then I'm not gonna mix it up with water or anything. We're just gonna throw it right on here. There's enough liquid from the grease that'll be left on here. Let's go ahead and toss this. All right, so I'm turning my Blackstone on the side I did not cook my meat. We're gonna turn it on to low, and we're gonna throw these on. Let them warm up a little bit. All right, we're gonna go quick here. So, bottom tortilla. Here's our refried beans. We're gonna go ahead and we're gonna put a layer of refried beans. Then we're gonna get a layer of our meat here. And this is my Chipotle Crema I showed you guys how to make. Super simple. Good layer of that. This is some iceberg lettuce. Toss that on there just like that. And this is where mine's a little bit different. I'm gonna grab my tostada shell, and that's gonna go on first. Then I will cover the tostada shell in cheese, just like that. I'll grab my small tortilla, and then we're going to just go around and fold, just like that, and just like that. All right, just like that. So now I'm just going to throw this seam side down on the Blackstone. All right, so just flip these. This one's got a little bit, didn't stick very well. This one looks fantastic. So let's pull these over. Let's cut them up. All right, so there's the cross section of it. So if you can see here, when I put the cheese on top of the tostada shell, it actually makes like a little mini quesadilla. So Taco Bell, I think, just stuffs everything under the tostada, and then their tortillas are either big enough or they don't fill these up enough where they can just use the one single tortilla to wrap it. And I think they don't fill it up enough. So let's go ahead and we'll taste this. All right, so here, and to stay true, I'm actually using the fire sauce that Taco Bell sells in grocery stores, but I think this crunch wrap will taste better than what you get from Taco Bell. Wow. Okay, so the refried beans take it over the top. As you saw, super simple to make in terms of refried beans. If you have to buy them in can, go ahead. If you don't think you have the time, go right ahead and do that. Yeah, but wow. You get a little bit of the heat from the Chipotle, the crema, and just it's a great flavor. Definitely better. I would definitely eat more of these than I would the Taco Bell's version for sure. If you want a, I guess you could say, I don't know if it's a classic at this point, but if you want a nice twist on a fast food classic, please make this recipe. The beef is fantastic because it's fresh, it's not heated up in a steamer bag, and you'll just enjoy it more. And it's bigger, and you'll probably pay less if you make 4 or 5 of these for your family than if you were to go buy them. Yeah, if you want to see any other clone recipes, please put those in the comments down below. I'm actually going to put a clone recipe of a Big Mac that I did over in this corner. So please, yeah, please take a look at that one. Please don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. I've really enjoyed making these videos, and I look forward to making many more for you. So we'll see you in the next one.